Hey there, it's Shellie Peters with LPT Realty. I am here today with Matt Nolan of Community Choice Credit Union. Thanks so much for joining me today.
Not a problem. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. Well, who better to talk to about mortgages? First of all, do you want to introduce yourself and
Sure.
let us know what your role is?
Sure. My name is Matt Nolan with Community Choice. I've been in the mortgage industry for quite some time. You can tell by the gray hair. But I've joined Community Choice probably about 6 or 8 months ago. And it's been a great experience up to now, and excited to offer great rates to local people.
That's great. And I'll say it's really convenient having Matt right here in our office in Clive, Iowa. He has just been so available and generous with his time.
Yeah, it's great to be in the hub of where all the action happens.
All right, and I guess just to get to know you a little bit as we sit here on January 16th, the Super Bowl is on the mind of a lot of people's minds. Who are you hoping makes it to the Super Bowl?
You know, it's a tough question. I'm a big outdoors person, so I do like watching football, but I don't have a dog in the fight right now. But did watch the Bears and Packers game pretty intently. I did live in Wauwatosa, Wisconsin for a period of time, so I was kind of hoping the Green Bay, but I love watching good football. So, but as we talked earlier, I think 49ers with Kittle and with Purdy is my son went to Iowa State, so kind of good to watch those guys do well too. So
that's neat. Yeah, I myself am not a huge football fan, but my husband has been a diehard 49ers fan his whole life, so naturally
you are as well.
That's right. That's how it goes. So it's good to have someone to root for, and we'll be watching that tomorrow night for sure. Awesome. Well, getting to it, I wanted to chat with you specifically because I was meeting with a client earlier this week who was thinking about building pretty soon. And so we were talking about that in regards to when to start on certain pieces of that. Obviously, financing can be a big part of building or buying a home in general. And there's a few different ways to finance that. So Matt, can you talk us through just high level, what is the difference between a lot loan, a construction loan, and a traditional mortgage?
Yeah, not a problem. I get that question quite a bit. And I think it's a little bit daunting to kind of tackle, the different types of loans. So just a broad view is a lot loan is probably, if you want to purchase a chunk of ground to build on in a point in the future. I've talked to a number of people that want to buy and then they want to work on paying off the lot loan before they actually started the build. So that's probably why when I would kind of focus in on more of a lot loan where the construction probably would not start for probably 6 months to maybe 6 years. That way they have time to pay that lot balance down. As of today, the 16th of January, lot loan pricing right now is, I believe, at 549 is where we're at today. So that would be a lot loan. A construction loan is if you're ready to go. So let's say, I've got the chunk of property I want, and I've got either the builder or the plans I want to use. A construction loan would be where you want to probably start within the first 6 months. So the first draw of a construction loan would be to purchase a lot. So we could definitely do it that way where, and then we'd have continually draws on the construction loan as the progress of the build continues.
The draws to pay the builder for each stage of the project.
Exactly. So, and kind of the idea behind it, we want to make sure that we're about, so let's say we got half the building done or half the construction done. We want to have roughly about half the construction loan construction loan used up. So then kind of flows right on over into a traditional mortgage. Then once the construction loan is done or the construction is done, you actually have a house, you get that certificate of occupancy from the state or from the city. Then it gets flipped over into a traditional mortgage. So it's actually a refinance at that point in time because you're refinancing the construction loan into the final loan, which would be, typically the 30-year or 15-year, whichever you prefer. But it would be the more finalized loan at that point in time.
Great. And what did you say what those rates are going for today?
Yeah, so the lot loans, again, as of January 16th, the lot loan today is 5.49, and the construction loan is 5.625. So the lot loan is kind of more geared towards, again, buying and holding for a little while, and then construction is we're kind of ready to go. And I believe that our refinance of the construction loan is at 5.625 as well. So if you want to do a 30-year fixed rate, you know, on the completed project as of today, it's 5.625.
Excellent.
So, and if anybody wants to check it out, you know, I don't know when this is going to air, but if you go to unbankwithmattnolan.com, it'll give us current rates for community choice.
Perfect. Well, there you have it. Thanks so much for that information.
Thanks for the time.
And of course, if any of my viewers are thinking about buying, selling, or investing in property, I'd be honored to help you out. So feel free to share this video and contact me today.